And on another topic, sir, yung VACC po is calling for a stronger government response on the recent spate of kidnappings in the country, saying that the administration needs to rethink its strategy in addressing and preventing and solving kidnapping cases. So ano po ang response ng PNP dito at kung may directive din po si Pangulong Marcos tungkol dito?
Yes, unang-una we acknowledge yung information coming from VACC. But of course, our PNP is focused sa ating continuous law enforcement operations and anti-criminality operations. Mayroon pong tumututok na Special Investigation Task Group sa itong reported kidnapping incident. But of course, we cannot compromise other security aspect ng ating bansa, no? Especially yung lalo na sa London season at itong ating patuloy na pagtulong sa ating Commission on Elections sa pagpapanatili ng peace and order during this election period. But of course, we acknowledge nga yung sabi ng ating VACC and we are actually restructuring yung ating, as guided by our Chief PNP, yung ating anti-kidnapping group na lalong mapapalakas yung grupo na ito to curb incidents such as kidnapping. And I'd like also to report, aside from these initiatives, last April 11 po, yung ating Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber Commerce Industry Incorporated ay mismong pumunta po sa himpilan ng ating Chief PNP kasama yung key personnel ng Philippine National Police. And amidst this ongoing investigation, they ask kung ano pong pwedeng maitutulong ng kanilang chamber. Remember that they have 170 chambers from Apari to Hulo, yung ating chamber, and they can really help, no, sa peace and order. Ang pag-usapan po doon at nirecommend ng ating PNP is to create a specialized desk, no? Tawag namin dito is PCFC, PNP Chinese Filipino Community Help Desk. So this is a desk liaisoning lahat ng concerns po ng ating sector from the Chinese Filipino. We talk here on protecting yung ating kasamahan sa community and engaging them with the projects and activities na panatili po na ma-sustain natin yung ating peace and order as far as the Filipino-Chinese community is concerned. But definitely, magkakaroon muna po kami ng pilot testing, no? Itong proyekto na ito, like for example in Manila, particularly in Binondo, where highly concentrated yung ating communities,